The next thing that you need to know about inside of Excel is sorting your data. Sorting is a really important function inside of Excel, and you can actually sort your data based on different columns and rows. In this case here, what we want to do is sort all of the columns and the rows, so we're just going to click on this little box over here, and that's going to select all of our data. Next, we'll navigate up to the top ribbon here. We'll click on Data, and then we'll go ahead and click on the Sort button here. This opens up another window, and inside this window, we can go ahead and select the columns that we want to sort based on and the sort order. Now, when you open up this box, you might see that the columns are listed as column A and column B, instead of by using the header row labels that we have in row 1 inside of our sheet. So because we have a header row, what we want to do here is click this little checkbox for the header list. Next, what we want to do is click on this drop-down menu here, and now we can select the columns based on the header label that we have. In our case, let's go ahead and sort based on the order date, and then we're going to set this for ascending or A to Z. If we wanted to, we could also sort by another condition, and in this case, we could sort based on the item total, and then we could set this to sort in descending order. Now, after specifying multiple sorting criteria, what we can expect here is that Excel is first going to make a pass sorting based on date, and then if there are multiple records that have the same date, then Excel is going to make a second pass through, and it's going to sort those individual records based on the item total purchase amount, and it's going to do that in descending order or greatest to least. When we click OK here, we can see that's exactly what happened in our data set. We have all the records sorted based on the order date in ascending order, and then if we look over here to the item total amount, where we have items that are of the same order date, we can see that that was sorted in descending order.